Okay guys, we're back with this big dent. Well, it's not there anymore, but it was quite a bit of work. Remember how big that was? It came all the way down here, came all the way up here, and got it out to the point where the customer is extremely satisfied. So I want to show you that what's possible. You know, just because it's a big dent doesn't mean it can't be fixed here at Pro Auto Spa. We specialize in oversized, very large dents. So don't hesitate to bring your car by here if you do have something like that. Also, keep in mind, one thing we did do is we do a post scan. We do a pre-scan and a post scan on our cars for our customers when they bring them to us. The reason why we do that is for safety and to know that the car is back in working order. You know, just because someone takes your car apart and puts it back together doesn't mean it's set up right. Cars nowadays have so many computers and different systems in them. They want to make sure it's done and that it's done right. And so we do that for peace of mind for you and for us in case something does come up down the road. So just want to show you this. Very happy. Customer loves it. So again, bring your car to Pro Auto Spa if you need any help.